Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shivang and today we are going to talk about some of the basic Excel formulas and how to use them. First formula that we are going to use is minimum maximum. This is this unclaimed sample super data store that I have created and I have posted in the Kaggle website as well. I will paste the link below. So the first formula we're going to look at is sum. If I would delete few of them and keep it just a small data set to show you how sum would work. So any formula in Excel would start with equal to sign, then the function name. In this case, we are going to look for the sum and the start of parentheses. So now it says number one, which is this, number two, this, number three, this, or we could instead of this we could just select everything, close the parentheses, and that would give us the sum of sales. The other way to do that is AutoSum function. When we click on AutoSum over here, it will automatically select the cells that we are going to go for the sum. And if we don't want to select those, we just want to see the sum of few, we could just select the few ones and then click on enter. So the sum here is 2037. What if I want to see the minimum? So the minimum formula would be is equal to minimum. And again, the start of parentheses, I want to see what's the minimum value in this among all the sales, which is $14. So if we look at this, $14 obviously is the minimum ones. What's the maximum value? It would be max and it would be $957. Next one we do want to see is average, which will be average of Bs. So the average value comes to be $339.55. So that's how some of the basic functions that we are using work. Another one is the count of number of orders. It would come to be 6. These are some of the basic Excel functions that formulas that are used very often, almost regularly. Some minimum, maximum, average, and count. That's it for today on these ones. There are some instances when we are cleaning up the data, we see that a text column has a lot of unwanted and unnecessary spaces in between them. One of the ways that we can correct it is by manually cleaning up the spaces. So in this case, we could do it like this. Or the other way is to use a formula called trim, because since our data set has uneven unwanted space, we can directly use trim command and the cell and double click to drag it. So as we can see, all the unwanted space have been removed. That's how we use trim to clean the unappropriate space in the text fields. Coming to the next formula, which is concatenate. We use concatenate when we have to combine two different text columns, or we want to create a combination field having a unique key. That's when we use the concatenation function. As an example, if I want to make, in this case, a combination of state and city, I could use concatenation, which again the formula will start concat, then state. Now now I want to add underscore in it. So underscore would come in the inverted columns, and then city. So we have a field, we have a column where there is a combination of state and the city along, and both are separated by. The next formula that we are going to look is substitute. We use substitute when we want to substitute. So, as the name suggests, substitute is used to substitute a text or a group of text from a part of text from a cell or a column. So, if I look at column N, we have United States. I want to replace states with kingdom. So I can do substitute text, which is the cell. So old text was states, and now we want to replace it by kingdom. So it became United Kingdom. That's how we use the substitute field to substitute a text in a column. There are some instances when we are cleaning the data, we come across the text which is not in a proper format. So if I look at this example, we have U in smaller letter and N in the capital letter in United, and K in the kingdom is small. In the second ones, we have United and Kingdom in the small letters. Then we have various letters which are in the improper cases. So to fix that, we can use the formula called proper, and what it is gonna do is it's gonna convert all the text in a proper format. Now, if I want to keep if I want to see all the country name in the upper letter, I can use upper, and the text it will convert everything to the upper letters. The same goes with lower. I can select lower, and it would convert everything to a lower case. So you can see everything has been turned to a lower case. If I want to if I want to select just the first three letters of the country, I could use see what if I want to see the days only in three letters, or what if I want to see only the first three letters of each text field. I can use in that case left formula, and 3 because I want to see the first 3 characters only. So it will give me Sunday. And the same goes with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. What if I want to see the last 3 days, last 3 letters? In that case, I would be doing right this 3. So it should give day for us because all the so the last 3 so the last 3 or the right 3 letters are day. These are the two formulas that we also use if we want to extract a certain text. Say if I want to see only the middle, only the second letter and the third letter of each text, I could use in that case a formula called mid. You can hear I'm saying mid. Mid. I'm selecting the text Sunday. I want to start from 1 and the number of characters I want to go is 2. Sorry, I want to start with 2 and the number of characters I want to see is 2. So it will show me U and N and so on. We use the mid if we want to omit certain fixed text letters, certain number of letters in each text, and we want only the middle part of each text, or if we want to see the middle part of each text, that's when we use mid. That's all for today in this video.